Looks like an abandoned tent. We don't see no car. The tent is broken. Right? Got him. So he's currently airing down the Jeep. It's so cold though, I think I'm gonna go back in. Let me see what the temperature is right now. Okay, I think it's already 38. Oh. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm trying to film all my videos in the Insta360. Looks like we're here. So many puddles. Look at what he's doing. Okay, it's a little better. We were definitely looking for a site with a campfiring because it's better to use wood. It's hotter, warmer. It's so cold. It's windy. And I love that there's a bench too. Look at this. Let me walk around a little more.
Hold on, it's still going. Hold on.
There's a headlamp. A nice one too. Nice, huh? Is there a signal here? I haven't even checked. There is no signal. SOS. Right, second attempt to make a fire because the first one didn't work. It's electric. Electric lighter. Let's see if it works. And I do it this way because it's hard to light. These woods are so wet. I need your wood. These woods are really wet. Yeah, it still doesn't catch fire. I'm just putting these.
Let's keep doing that. Let me get my list.
One last towel.
We got fire. We got fire.
We got fire. So
We got fire. Oh my gosh. I started trying to get it going. I couldn't, and then everything is buried inside the Jeep.
we have all our stuff there, so I'm trying to unpack. The good thing is my babe was over here on fire duty and she thought outside the box and she got it going, so we got fire. Just I'm freaking out. We got fire finally. You want the lantern anywhere?
Not yet. I have light. I am now here. What time is it anyway? It's 5:33. Thank you. The diesel heater is gonna be where again? Here?
On this side, yeah.
Okay. This is going to be our light again. Actually, I'm just gonna...
This side.
I'm done here for now. Just have to connect to the main camera for the charge.
Oh, okay.
So we're
Ready for
getting
bed, my
ready for
love.
bed. You guys again in the morning. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night. Merry Christmas. Whee! Morning, guys. So it's currently 4:36 a.m. and X just got up to put some stuff away because it might snow. Good morning, guys. It's almost 10 a.m. and there's no snow. Our Blue Eddy died, so no diesel heater, no Wi-Fi, nothing. Now I'm gonna get out of bed and check the views.
was, but you know what? Last night I had this one. I'm exhausted, man.
Can you help me finish? Or you
Yeah.
can't finish my food, so he has to finish.
The garbage is full.
Guys, it is finally snowing right when we're about to leave. We're packing up, guys. We finally made it out of the crazy trail. No more threes. No more threes. We'll stick at 2 ends. Let's go the mud. Yeah, we're done. And goodbye. And see you on the next one.